The Coin Lady channel is pleased to have you back. This episode is going to cover a lot of ground, guys. We'll go over Grayscale's plan for a Bitcoin ETS, examine the Bitcoin head phenomenon and when we expect it to take the next step, examine the prices before the halvings, start at 2013 when everything started, and finish with the present day and the current map. In addition, we will discuss current tendencies among XRP Ledger automated market makers. To cut to the chase, please take a seat and unwind. Let's get right down to business. Bitcoin $65,380 is presently 2.2% higher. Ethereum has come in at 31,173 in the last day. Both USDT and USDC have risen by 3.49% and are trading at their dollar pegs, which is ideal, and XRP is also up. My friends, let's take it easy while we ascend it. There's no need to be worried about the $2,435 billion total cryptocurrency market cap, which is slightly down from the previous 24 hours, and the current price of a mean lean is 53 cents, up 2.5%. Where do we go from here? I'm drinking my last sip of coffee. Yes, that is the main concern. It's my baby, and I'm proud of my baby, so I won't be embarrassed if we go through Lux Lines again in 45 seconds. You should check out Lux Lines NF on t.com. Acquire your channels. This month, all of the NFTs from the founding edition were sold out. We used a laser to free 17 of them. Within the first 2 days, Bada Boom 16 was sold out. Friday saw the acquisition of the last one. Get 2 free NFTs with the Wild Wild West tiers, which would be $5, or a mythological mob tear, which would cost you only $420. On May 1st, you will once again earn XRP. You can still earn back in July and August even if you have never bought an NFT again on June 1st. All you have to do is hold on to them. Here, that is our main activity. Because you've been so active in the ecosystem and held on to our NFTs, we're rewarding you with XRP. On the XRP Ledger, which supports several currencies, we are launching the biggest gaming hub you have ever seen. One of them will be XRP. You should enter the metaverse immediately because TD and Token are going to be part of another one. We are in the early stages of breaking news, but the previous CEO of CoolCat is on board and providing guidance. The way you wish to discuss the upcoming NFT project is being demonstrated by him. Guess who's getting chubby next? That's the next Bored Ape. You have arrived at the correct place, everyone. I am describing the biggest project on the XRP Ledger. I am making this known because it is crucial. Please pay close attention because this is crucial information. After Bitcoin's May and June preparations, the following major rise in the cryptocurrency market usually occurs 6 weeks later, so we're getting near to the next leg up. Looking at the market, we may have even witnessed the push higher. The question is, can Bitcoin return and retest those $50,000 plus regions? However, even if it occurs, its duration will be quite brief. It will be down there in about 24 to 72 hours. If it requires more cash, it will get it. And then it's climbing again. That concludes it. Going forwards. Getting to the top is the only thing involved. Do you get my meaning? We are in the midst of a bull run, which I doubt I need to explain. A bull run has begun. Bitcoin had a price drop of 130,000. Listen up, everyone. Bitcoin, according to Crypto T, doubled in value after 2012 and then halved in value after 2016. The 8 XFT and 2020 halving were accomplished. After this, what do you anticipate will happen? The axes are falling, and I think there are 30 of them, which is the intriguing part about this. 92, just about a third, between 8 and 30%, is familiar to you, right? We're going to see roughly a third of it repeated here. Then what am I debating? 60 on the 5-point scale, we're likely looking at a 2.5x. I'm telling you, these markets will mature with time, and you won't see these wacky fluctuations and 92x returns anymore. A 6,500 times, especially considering the recent influx of institutional capital, this bull run may be the last of its kind. Official funding is on the way. These marketplaces will display more signs of maturity. Grayscale drawings. The lowest fee among spot Bitcoin ETFs is 1%, which is borne by many of these funds. If all goes according to plan, Grayscale will put 10% of its Bitcoin Trust assets into the Bitcoin Mini Trust and the Grayscale Bitcoin Tiny Trust. What a fascinating thing. Well, that's all. In this post, CoinDesk presents. So, what exactly are we looking at here? It appears like there will be a major battle for the title of lowest Bitcoin ETF costs. We are witnessing that. It's really that simple. Who will offer the most affordable rates? Maximizing the inflow of capital into their exchange-traded fund is their objective. This has now been released by Aaron. Take a look at Uniswap. It's getting zero volume, and here's what you need to know to be happy. The XRP ledger is popular, but it's outdated. So, at what age does a university swap typically occur? I don't know how many years it's been around. Consider the decibel level at the release of the Uniswap blasts. The figure of 1.5 trillion did not suddenly appear. Gradually, it began to ascend. Stay calm and collected. Those who are informing you are projecting an unfavorable attitude. Plus, there are plenty of others. I could sit here and criticize him, but I'm going to refrain from doing so. It would be wiser to disregard these individuals. On the other hand, you have a perfect grasp of the subject. Some members in the community are out to bring you nothing but negativity. Ditch the fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Uniswap was immature when it initially appeared. There will be a delay in the XRP ledger's maturity as an automated market maker. Look at this. You may observe that the volume was 41,789 or as high as 671,000 when it initially debuted. That is the total volume that we have. I am impressed. It is gradually